Hello and welcome to this tutorial presenting the Indigo solution, smart and connected management solution for residential swimming pools. Based on analysis and monitoring, Indigo provides serenity thanks to its automated filtration management, comfort by controlling the pool equipment such as the heat pump and lighting, finally savings thanks to a reliable and continuous analysis allowing the optimization of the water parameters. Thanks to its simple and intuitive applications, Indigo facilitates the management and maintenance of your pool. Modular and scalable, the Indigo solution is composed of different modules that can work independently or in combination, thus meeting different needs that can evolve over time. The solution is composed of command modules, which control equipment such as filtration, lighting, heat pump, analysis modules, which enable real-time monitoring of the main parameters of the pool. Finally, communication module, allowing to link all the modules to the internet in order to stay connected. Now, let's see where the different modules are installed and how they operate. First of all, the pool command module. Installed in the technical room, it can be programmed and controlled directly via Bluetooth and will allow to automate the filtration and to control two auxiliary equipment remotely. In a second time, the LRMB antenna for remote access. Installed in the house, it connects to the home Wi-Fi and provides a long-range radio link with the modules installed on the pool. It will allow to connect the different modules to the internet for an unlimited access. Finally, the analysis modules. They exist in two versions. A floating module that is installed directly in the pool or an indoor module that is installed in the technical room. These two modules analyze the main water parameters and communicate their data to the LRMB antenna. Thus, these data are permanently available and allow the reception of alerts in case of drift of the water parameters. To summarize, the pool command is a smart connected pool timer installed in the pool control panel of the technical room. It can be controlled either via Bluetooth or via the LRMB antenna. It enables intelligent control of the filtration times according to the water temperature of the chosen program, automatic freeze protections, a control of two auxiliary equipment. Finally, thanks to the IPX protocol, it's possible to make a wireless connection with compatible equipment installed in the technical room. The PoolSense module is a floating analyzer immersed in the pool. Waterproof and battery operated, it's compatible with any type of treatment. Analyzing the main water parameters such as pH, ORP and temperature, it alerts you in case of drift via notifications or email. The history of these different measurements will also be available on the application or on the web interface. The PoolGuard is a main power indoor analyzer installed in the technical room. Equipped with traditional pipe mounted probes and a flow switch, it analyzes the main water parameters when the filtration is active for more precision. It's possible to add a pressure sensor to alert you in case of overpressure in the filter. This information will allow you to be alerted in case of drift by notification or by email. The history of these different measures will also be available on the application or the web interface. Finally, the LRMB antenna is a communication gateway installed in the house that is connected to the Wi-Fi network. It can connect up to 10 modules thanks to its long-range radio communication. Compatible with the module of the Solem irrigation range, it will also allow to control garden equipment. For more information, please visit our website on www.indigo-pool.com.